In this pan is rice. I use oil. I actually use this oil. Just sprayed it on there. This stove isn't so great. You can donate to get me another stove. I'm gonna put my link in the bio for my YouTube. Anyways, this stove, they gotta get like toasted. I always say don't, if you want to make something really good, but the best you can make it, don't cook hungry. Eat something before you cook, because then you're gonna rush it because you're hungry, and then you're gonna mess it up. You want to take your time, and it really doesn't take that long. This deal's like 25 minutes. You'll be done 25 minutes. If I had a gas stove, this thing would get hot real quick. So then, if you see this video and you want to know more or whatever, put a comment, because I'm going to put it on my YouTube. Tronics Mike on YouTube. This phone's dying too. I'm going to put this in there. This is going to flavor the rice. I'm making chicken over here. I'm going to make chicken and rice. This is not an expensive meal, by the way. Didn't have my water ready. You also want to put in here this. I already put it. It has tomato and chicken flavor. You got your tomato sauce. Okay, because you got to end the video, get the basic idea. If you want to see a better video, just subscribe to my YouTube. You're gonna do this. Put water. You're gonna bring this to a boil. Once it boils, I'm going to put a little bit more water. Once it boils, you're going to let it boil for about 5 minutes. I do. And then you're going to cover it and let it sit on low. Put this thing all the way low, like the first setting. And for 20 minutes, it'll soak up all the water and come out alright. Subscribe to my channel, people.